Good day, everyone. Welcome to our video. And today we're going to learn all about game making fundamentals and what a Scratch 3.0 is. A game is something that can be played to provide happiness to gamers. There are different types of games, but today we will focus on computer games. Let's start with using a Scratch. What is a Scratch? Scratch is a visual programming language that we can use to animate characters, set the rules of our games, and provide players the ability to play the games that we have created. Here are the parts or the eye of the Scratch. At the top, you will see the menu bar. You have also the blocks palette. At the center, we have the script area. Here we have the stage, and at the lower part, we have the sprite area. Choosing the group of commands you need here. You can choose the colored circle for a programming blocks you will use in your code. The color of the circle is the same color of the programming blocks. Say, for example, motion is color blue and all the blocks are color blue. We have looks are purple and all the looks blocks are color purple. And the event is color yellow and the blocks are color yellow. We have also the sprite. The cat below is sprite. It will do anything you program it to do. And we have also the script area. Script area is where you drag the programming blocks to create a program. We have here the stage. The stage is where you see the effect of your codes. In this section, you can apply the following changes to your sprite. It can be the direction, the size, the name, the visibility are shown on the stage, and also the position X and Y on the stage. You can set the sprite's direction. By setting a rotation style exact all around, it makes the sprite appear as if it is only able to face or point in specific directions, but in reality, it is pointing depending on the value that you have typed or where you have rotated the arrow on the dial. You can also change the sprite name by clicking the name after sprite and then typing a new name. For example, I click the sprite or sprite name and I put or change the name my pet. You can also reposition your sprite by changing its coordinates. Click the value beside the letters X and Y in the highlighted area and then change them. Can you observe what happened to the sprite? This topic will be further discussed in the next video. That's all for today. See you again next time.